Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a little succulent haul. I snatched these up at a local grocery store for $1 each. I will give you a close-up of each one of them in just a second. If you're new here, my name is Candace and I post a wide array of different gardening videos. So here I have 13 succulents I got at my local grocery store. I got them for $1, which is just a killer deal. In my area, they usually range from around $2.98 to $3.98 for a succulent this size. There wasn't a extremely good selection by the time I saw them. A lot of them were picked over, but I was able to get these 13, which were in decent shape. You know, there are a lot of them that, you know, they have that like frosty looking coating that has been damaged on some of them. And then they did have like on some of them, like this one here, a lot of damaged leaves at the bottom. A lot of like the big box stores around where I live, they just really don't know how to take care of succulents. They're usually, you know, in pretty bad shape, but I spent about an hour last night cleaning these guys up and I think they cleaned up pretty good. I don't know a ton about, you know, the different varieties and what their exact names are. I know what some of them are, but I just want to show you like a close-up. I just want to show you a close-up of some of them, or of all of them. I will be putting a succulent arrangement up here in a few days using these as well as some of my other succulents that I have. I've already got a couple of these, and this one looks like my Lola that I have, which isn't doing the best right now. A lot of it is looking like those lower leaves are. I feel like those need a lot less water than some of the other succulents do, and it's probably because of the thinner leaves, but I usually overwater it a little bit too much, I think. A lot of these had you can see like on this one here, they had hardly any soil in them. They only had like maybe an inch thick of soil. So I took them out, cleaned up the lower leaves, and then packed a little bit of soil at the base of the pot. And then some of them were really deep, like this one was extremely deep. It was covered up to like right here on its leaves. But I mean, some of these are in pretty decent shape considering. I do live in Indiana, Zone 6B. We usually have to keep these inside. Like you can take them out in the summer, but usually have to take them inside around late September, early October, because we get really cool in the fall. So these guys will be inside under my grow lights. But yeah, so that's my little $13 plant haul. As soon as I get a chance, I will be doing an arrangement with these, so make sure if you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you liked it.